Star One Credit Secrets. Hi, this is Jackie. Today we're going to talk about Star One Credit Union and all the secrets from them. Remember, this is Credit Connector. I also have a Spanish channel, which is called Conecto de Crédito. If you guys have any friends or relatives that don't speak English, send them over. I am also going to be dropping my VIP school link where you guys right now can register for free. That is a safe space. You guys can, if you have any questions, you can ask them there and I will be more than happy to answer them. This channel is basically all about you guys, helping you guys, connecting with you guys, helping you on your credit journey, basically telling you everything the banks don't want you to know, the credit card companies don't want you to know, the credit report company doesn't want you to know. I'm going to show you how you guys can do everything for yourself, okay? Guys, subscribe. Give me a like, put a comment in. If you comment, other people get the chance to also learn about the credit. And also I can, interact. I want to get to know you guys better. Okay. So let's get to it. So Star One Credit Union. Let's talk about Star One. Star One, is geo-restricted. So you got to make sure, I believe it's in California. So before you go out and you apply or you try to do anything, I'm going to give you all the information. Okay. They really don't have a membership. The only thing you need to do to get in is either, work, live, or, have a family member in that area. Once you open your savings account and you keep $50 there as a balance, that automatically is like having their membership. So that's really the only thing they want from you. Okay. Also, if you're going to apply or you're going to, go in there and open a checking account, I just want to let you know that they do check the check systems. So make sure that you check first and you don't have nothing negative in your check system. Okay. Also, they do, get the credit report, the FICO 8 from Experience. Make sure that you don't have no more than 3 hard pulls in the last 6 months, and make sure that your credit utilization is not above 10%. And also make sure that you have at least, they're for the people, but at least try to have, before you actually go and apply for the credit cards, at least a year with good credit history. Okay, so let's get to it. I want to show you something about Star One Credit Union. So I know that a lot of people out there want to know how they can liquidate their cards. Okay, that is a question all over YouTube. I'm going to show you a legit way that you can do this and that you don't have to pay nothing extra. Okay. If you go to Star One Credit Union, I'm going to tell you here, let's go to credit cards and you look at their credit cards. Okay. Basically, look what it says here. No annual fee, no balance transfer, no cash advance, guys. This is the way you do it. The legit way. You don't want to be in trouble. You don't want your credit cards to be closed down. You don't want to, be in trouble for anything that you're doing in the gray areas. This is the correct way to do it. And this is the way you build relationships with banks and credit unions and don't get your credit cards shut down. So they have multiple credit cards. You can have with them all the credit cards under your name. Okay. They do lend up to $70,000. Okay. That is their credit limit, $70,000. So what I would tell you is first get to know them, build the relationship with them. And then once you're in the ecosystem and you're there at least for 91 days and you've put a little bit of money in there, then go and start applying for the cards. Remember, every 3 months, you can either call them or ask them. Normally, you can do it on the app in your phone, but just to make sure, ask them anyway. Once you're already approved, wait until to get approved. But I think every 3 months, you can go in and you can basically get a credit increase. Okay. So imagine if they give you 2 credit cards with 1 hard pull with Experience and you got right off the bat $50,000 and you can liquidate that and put it into your business. With credit cards, basically you can pay everything, but let's say there's something, you want to buy a piece of land. You want to buy a little house to fix it. You want to put a down payment. Or if you want to put a down payment on a house, this is the way to do it. You liquidate your credit cards. You put it in your bank account. You leave it 3 to 4 months sitting there. So when you go and apply for a mortgage and they want to see where the money came from, they've seen it already in the bank because they like to go and check the last 3 months, okay? These are little tricks I'm giving you. This is what people pay 10 and 20% of getting approved. They pay for this information that I'm giving you for free. This credit union is also really good if you live in the area. They have a whole bunch of different products, credit products. Look, car loans, Tesla loans, classic car loans refi. I mean, these people are like school loans, solar loans, personal loans and lines of credit, saving secure loans, RV and motor homes. Remember, after COVID, everybody's into the RV and the motor homes. Motorcycle loans, boat loans, how to pay Star One loans, mortgage modifications, flood insurance, homeowners and flood insurance. These people have everything. Let's come here. So they have all these different types as well of banking system, online banking, mobile, touch-tone teller. So you guys got to come in here and do your due diligence. But if you want to liquidate your credit card, this is a great bank to do it. And like I said, you can be approved up to $70,000. Imagine, what can you do with $70,000 interest free? This is what people charge, 10 and 20%. Imagine having to give somebody $14,000 just because they got you approved with this bank. Guys, if you want to give your money away, give it to a charity, but don't give it to the vultures out there. Also, let me see, look. So no annual fee on balance transfer. So imagine you can transfer. Also, if you are traveling, okay, and you want to use your card, no foreign transaction. Option to receive free and secure online statements. Okay, end of the year statements as well. These benefits are amazing. Here too, if you look right here, zero liability on protection against authorized transactions. So let's say you lose your card, you have zero liability. Think about that, zero liability. And here, look at this. Look at these cards. 8.75 APR to 12.75 APR. Do you know any other credit card that is as low as that? You don't. Every credit card, even with good credit, is more than 20%. Visa Platinum Best Rate Card. This one, look at this, 7.75 to 13.75. This one has no rewards. This one you earn 1 point on every dollar. This one you earn 1.5 points on every dollar spent. Get a super low interest rate. 5-year membership to TSA. So if you're going to travel, look, TSA, you get a free membership. You don't have to pay. So when you're going to travel, and you don't even have to go through the regular TSA. You have your own private TSA. You can't beat that, guys. So let me go back here. Look at this. It even has Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs. If you guys have a 401k at work and it's not doing anything, you guys can roll it into your Roth IRA. You might get a better benefit. Open your account. So remember, you got to open a bank account. You got to keep at least $50 in the savings account so you don't get charged that membership. There's really no membership. And remember, before you go in and apply, make sure you build that relationship with this credit union. That way you're going to get 2 products, 1 hard inquiry, and you might get the $70,000 right off the bat. Remember, my name is Jackie. I'm here to help you, unleash your credit potential. Like, subscribe, Credit Connector, or Conecto de Crédito. Until next time, guys.